In Chapter 4, we learned 5 rules for making plurals, but some nouns completely ignore those rules. Today, irregular plurals. Remember our 5 plural rules? Well, some nouns laugh at all of them. These are called irregular plurals, and you simply have to learn them. An irregular plural changes the word itself, not just the ending. Man doesn't become mans, it becomes men. Foot doesn't become foots, it becomes feet. The first group changes a vowel inside the word. Man becomes men, the A changes to E. Foot becomes feet, OO changes to EE. The ending stays the same, only the vowel shifts. Let's picture them. 1 tooth, many teeth. 1 foot, many feet. 1 goose, many geese. 1 mouse, many mice. Visualize the change. The second group adds EN or ERN to make the plural. Child becomes children. Ox becomes oxen. And that's it. Only 2 common words follow this pattern. The third group doesn't change at all. 1 sheep, many sheep. 1 fish, many fish. 1 deer, many deer. Same word whether singular or plural. So how do we know if it's singular or plural? Context. 1 deer tells us it's singular. 3 deer tells us it's plural. The number or context makes it clear. Some nouns have completely unique plural forms that don't fit any pattern at all. Person becomes people. Die becomes dice. These you simply have to memorize. English borrowed many words from Latin and Greek and kept their original plural forms. Cactus becomes cacti. Phenomenon becomes phenomena. These appear in academic and scientific writing. Here's a tricky one, fish or fishes. Fish is used for a group of the same kind, but fishes is used when talking about different species. Both are correct, context decides. Person becomes people in everyday English, but in formal or legal language, like on official documents, you might see persons. Both are correct in the right context. Game time. I'll show you a noun, you tell me, does it follow the regular rules or is it irregular? First word, child. Irregular. Child doesn't become childs, it becomes children. This is a group 2 irregular plural. Well done if you got it. Next, roof. Now be careful. This one looks like it should be irregular. Think back to Chapter 4. Is it regular or irregular? Regular. Roof just adds S to make roofs, not roofs. Remember from Chapter 4? Roof is an exception to the F rule. Tricky but important. Final round, phenomenon. This is a big word from Greek. Does it follow regular English rules or is it irregular? Irregular. Phenomenon comes from Greek, so it keeps its Greek plural form, phenomena. You'll see this word a lot in science and academic writing. 5 very common mistakes. Childs, mouses, sheeps, deers, phenomenons. None of these are correct. Learn the irregular forms and you'll never make these mistakes again. And that's Chapter 5. 5 groups of irregular plurals. Vowel changes, EN endings, no change, unique forms, and Latin and Greek origins. Learn these by heart and your English will shine.